In a perfect world, your cat would never get ill. Okay, life is far from perfect, and your pet will require medical assistance at some point in its life. Back to wishful thinking. If your cat does become ill, wouldn't it be spectacular if it only needed that one injection that would last until the disease process was cured, and oh yes, didn't cost an arm and a paw? Advances in veterinary pharmaceuticals are amazing. Veterinarians now have an arsenal of lotions, potions, tablets, and formulations that can safely and effectively treat a myriad of ailments. How often a medication needs to be given is a function of its unique biomedical nature. Some drugs can only be given in an injectable form, others only as tablets. Giving the correct medication at the proper time, in the appropriate amount, by the prescribed route, for the entire length of time that your veterinarian has directed is essential if the desired effect is to be achieved. Giving a dog a pill is pretty straightforward. Hide it in a morsel of food, and poof, it's gone. Dogs tend to eat first and think later. Cats are rather persnickety creatures. Hide something in their food and they may go on a hunger strike. I want to show you some of the tricks that I've learned over the years of being the principal concierge to my cats. Tip number 1, trim your cat's nails before you need to treat it. Second, sequester yourself and your cat in a quiet room with a few places where it can escape to if it gets away from you. 3, wrap your cat in a large towel or sheet burrito style, leaving only the head exposed. This is a great way to control your cat if you're tending to it by yourself and your kitty likes to squirm. 4, take a deep breath, assume the best, and give it a try. When an oral medication needs to be given, I prefer a tablet. With liquids, I'm never sure how much is on the pet, on the floor, or me, and how much actually got into the cat. If you do need or want to give liquid medication, try the following. Place the tip of the dropper or syringe to the side of your cat's mouth, just behind the fang or canine tooth. Gently administer a small amount of liquid and give your cat a chance to swallow. If you give too much at one time, your cat may feel as though it's choking and spew the liquid everywhere. To speed up swallowing, you can gently stroke your cat's throat. You'll know when it's swallowed when you see your kitty's tongue quickly appear, then disappear. Now give your cat lots of love. If you're going to give a tablet, see if this helps. Either have someone cradle the cat in their arms, all the while restraining the paws, or place the cat on a counter or other elevated surface where you can back it into a corner. You can also do the kitty burrito routine if you're medicating the cat on your own. With one hand, reach over the cat's head and place your thumb behind one of the upper canine teeth, and use your index finger to gently press down on the jaw behind the canine tooth on the opposite side of the mouth. This will result in opening the mouth. You'll want to direct the cat's nose towards the ceiling. Drop the pill into the mouth and try to position it beyond the base of the tongue. If the pill is sitting in the middle or towards the front of the tongue, your cat will have an easy time of spitting it out. You can use the eraser end of a pencil to gently push the tablet further into the throat if needed. Now quickly, close the cat's mouth and stroke the throat to induce swallowing. If your cat is stubborn and refuses to swallow, you can also, for a brief period of time, place a finger over its nostrils. And you'll know that the pill is on the way to the stomach when the tongue quickly appears, then vanishes. There is a wondrous device known as a pilling syringe that has saved many a finger from accidentally being bitten by the feline patient. It allows you to place the tablet further into the mouth and will not damage the sensitive oral tissue. Ask your veterinarian about this implement. Whenever you need to give medication to your pet, be sure you know why you're giving it, what possible adverse side effects you may see, and what you should do if you see them. Need some help medicating your cat? Just ask your veterinarian.